the Rockhampton. So a gated community on the right, which is 2 Rockhamptons Drive. And that's where we're starting out the video today. So welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, the Discover Boss. And yes, you've guessed it, it's another community drive. What I'm doing, you would have seen in the last 1 or 2 videos, I'm just highlighting some of the upscale, some of the luxury, I would say upscale communities with some luxury homes, some beautiful homes in Jamaica, in Kingston, in the Manor Park. Alright guys, and then the entire community is Arma Heights. That's what we're really, as a community, we're touring today. So remember to like, remember to comment, remember to share, and subscribe as well. So we're on the road to 10,000. So we have a lot of apartment complex up this side. You have townhouse complex as well. So we'll be driving around the community, showing all the beauty. So we're gonna enter Rockhampton Drive first, just to show you guys a smaller community with some unique homes. And again, what we do on the channel is highlight all the beauty in Jamaica and all the different, you know, communities that we may have visited before, may not have visited before. So this is one such community. As you guys can already see, the designs of the homes are a little bit different. They're a bit unique. Sometimes unique is good. And this is Rough-Mount Way. It leads on to a cul-de-sac this side. So I'll just go down that side and then turn, and then we'll check out the other end. So this is where we're starting from. And again, the bigger community is Arma Heights. First, I'm driving this side, so just wanted to show you guys as well. If you guys have ever been to this side of town, let me know in the comments. All right, let's head over to the other side. So all the homes are, you know, designed the same color. They have a lot of yard space though, so that's one thing. Alright, so let's head back up this side and then show you guys some other areas. So we're now approaching Stillwell Drive, so we'll take the right. Very good quality road, so that's a plus. then on the right you have some gated townhouse complex. So we'll take the right onto Oakridge. Just take a quick drive around this community as well. Alright guys, so we'll continue down. Alright guys, so quite a few empty lots here, so I know that we still have a lot more development coming. Just want to show you guys this house as well. It's one of the first mansion in the area, so just take a look at that, guys. So it stand out a lot. Lots of space as well. It's huge, and it's one of the first mansion in the area. It doesn't seem to be occupied right now, but I'm sure that somewhere along the line they may just develop this property, because the land space is there. The infrastructure is there as well, so it's very nice. Just wanted to highlight that for you guys as well. So to the left would take us to Lakehurst Drive. To the right is East Oakridge, and we're coming off Oakridge Avenue. Alright guys, so we turn left onto Lakehurst Drive. So stay tuned while we continue to tour this community of Arma Heights, and just to highlight some of the beautiful homes in Kingston and in Jamaica at large. So stay tuned, guys. Alright, so on the right there seems to be a development. We know once we see some zinc top property, some development is happening, so I guess we can always revisit to see what's going over there. Maybe it's an apartment, maybe it's a townhouse complex, who knows. Alright, and in front of us is a development. Just by the looks of it, it seems to be a townhouse development. right here. I'm not seeing any, let me see if I see a name or even a billboard, but it's a pretty decent sized property. No names as yet. So it's going up smoothly. So again, you know, development all around. Alright guys, so intersection of Stillwell Road and Lakehurst Drive. And then we're approaching the stoplight. Alright guys, so there you have it. Another community drive. So as usual, I really appreciate your support. And just remember to leave your comment. Let me know what you think about the community. If you have ever lived in the community, let me know as well. If you're still living there, let me know. So thanks again for your support. Remember to like, remember to comment, remember to share, and remember to subscribe. So thanks for watching. And again, we're on the road to 10,000 subscribers. So stay tuned for more. We have more community drive coming, more drone videos coming. So you guys stay tuned. Remember to turn on your post notification bell, so once I do an upload, you guys will be notified as well. So thanks for watching.